Control number 15682, please introduce yourself.
My name. Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Carmelina. I am 26 years old. I am married and having 2 children. The older one is 4 years old and the younger one is 1 year old.
How about your educational attainment?
Ma'am, I studied at Mountain Province State Polytechnic College at both of Mountain Province, and I took up the course and graduated the course, Bachelor of Science in Commerce.
Okay. So, do you have any experience working in any other country before? Working abroad, do you have any experience?
None, ma'am.
So, this is your first time to apply for abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines?
Ma'am, I have the experience caring all the aged person, ma'am.
Okay. So, for how many years?
2 years, ma'am.
For 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Your main duty is taking care of an old person?
Yes, ma'am.
Or a bedridden?
Aged person, ma'am.
Aged person
Yes,
only. How old?
He's 65 years old, ma'am, and 70 years old, ma'am.
65 years old and 70?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what can you do for an old person?
What I can do to the old, in taking care of old person is to assist them in the morning, assist them and cook the food for them, serve their food at the 10 o'clock in the morning, assist them in their bathing, after which assist them also to wear their clothes if we cannot do it now.
Okay, so you assist them in their needs like clothing them and cooking their food. How about take for a walk outside? Massage them?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about assisting them to go to the hospital, giving their medicines on time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how about in a newborn baby? Do you have any experience?
I have a personal experience, ma'am, and I have experience also to when I was working student, ma'am, when I was in college.
Okay, as a babysitter.
Yes.
While you're studying, you're working as a babysitter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you do for a newborn? A newborn, right?
Yes, ma'am. 5 months old.
Okay, what can you do for the baby?
Ma'am, in the morning I have to feed, wash my hands and prepare for the milk of the baby, sterilize it, and prepare their milk, ma'am, according to the procedure of the measuring of the milk in the water, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So how about changing clothes, changing the diaper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How can you stop the baby from crying?
Ma'am, if the baby is crying, maybe she's not feeling well. I have to check the temperature of the body, or maybe she has a stomach ache, or maybe she's sleeping, ma'am. I have to carry the baby.
Okay, so can you sing a lullaby song to make the baby sleep?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how about in children? What can you do for the children? Tutoring. Can you do that? Tutoring?
Yes, ma'am. Just like a simple ABC or teach him how to sing.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Ma'am, I have the priority to work in Hong Kong because, ma'am, I want to work in to help my young brother and sister in their studies. Ma'am, and of course, I have to. I want to provide the needs of my future children, ma'am, for their education, ma'am, in the future.
Okay, very good. So, in household works, what can you do?
Ma'am, in household works, I have cooking, cleaning the house. I can do also car washing, ma'am. Take care of the pets, ma'am.
Okay.
Gardening also.
What kind of pets?
Dog, cats, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in cooking, what dishes can you cook?
Ma'am, in cooking, I can do Filipino dishes, but I can cook Chinese foods, but I'm willing to
Learn more.
learn. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if ever you and your employer will have some misunderstanding, what will you do?
Ma'am, I'll talk to him or to her nicely and ask what is my mistake, and I'd like to apologize to him or her, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, can you describe your relationship with your past employer? How did they treat you?
Ma'am, for my past employer, there is a good treatment to me because I serve him appropriately, ma'am.
Okay.
So they treat me right. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you describe yourself as a housemate?
As a household, ma'am, you have to do the duties and responsibilities that employer will assign you to do. And you have to be hardworking, honest, and trustworthy, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So to sum it all, you're telling me that you're married and you have 2 children, ages 4 and 1 year old.
Yes, ma'am.
And also you finish a Bachelor of Science in Commerce,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And also here in the Philippines, you experienced to work for 2 years,
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
care of 2 elderly,
Yes,
65 years old and 70 years
Yes,
old,
ma'am.
assisting them to their everyday activities like cooking their food, changing clothes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And massage, take for a walk.
Yes, ma'am.
And aside from that, you're also doing household works like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And also you have an experience taking care of a newborn and children.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're very willing to learn how to take care of, or you're very willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any final message to your prospective employer?
For my future employer, ma'am, sir, if ever you choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my best to do all the duties and responsibilities you will assign me to do. And ma'am, sir, I'll promise to finish my contract with you for 2 years or more than. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir.